So we've been using Visual Studio for some time now, and I'm going to show you a little thing we can actually do. So I just removed my the current browser I was in, and right now I'm back into my Visual Studio Code. And what we've done a few times is we would right click this and we would open it in a Finder, and then we had to locate it and double click it and open it. So there's two ways of doing this to make it easier on yourself, and you can add a plugin to your Visual Studio Code like extension, and then you can search for it. I think it's called Open in Browser. Or if you want to be a little bit more nerdy, you can also be that. I would appreciate that because it's cool. You can right click on Visual Studio and you can do this Open in Terminal. You get this little box down here, maybe it's larger for you like so, and we can actually use this to open it for us. So instead of installing an extra plugin, we can just use this. So I right clicked on Index, Open in Terminal. Get this down here. And make sure that you're on your index page right now, and in here you can just type a code. So this is getting a bit old school, so you just type open index.html, nothing more, and make sure that you're in the correct library, but it'll make sure that you are usually, and hit enter, and you can see it actually opens it up in my browser. So instead of the way you've tried a few times where you did all these things located in your finders or Explorer, whatever you're using, you can just do this. But remember, if you do this again, it's just going to open a new window, so you could end up by a lot of windows, having a lot of tabs open, I mean. But that's an easy way to do it without having to use extensions or locating your file each time.